Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. First, open your Facebook application on your mobile device. Now tap on the profile icon on your top right. Then scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Here tap on Settings. Now go to See More in Account Center. Then tap on Personal Details. Now go to Account Ownership and Control. After that, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Now tap on your Facebook username. Then select the option of Deactivate Account. Then tap on Continue. This is how you can deactivate your Facebook account. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.